this is a leveling tamping tool that I created. It's 3D printed and to be used with the Cafelat Robot and its original tamper. Based on the fact that the original tamper is machined with high precision and the flat base here is perpendicular to the handle, we can use that fact to guide the tamper straight in the filter basket. The difference from this tool and the other tools that I've seen so far is that I created this to use the rim of the filter basket to guide the tamper instead of the filter walls. So this part in here will sit flat on the filter rim, and the walls inside of it will guide the handle. So just put them together, hold the tool down and tamp as usual. And to use it in different filter baskets which are shorter, just flip it upside down and use the same way. Hold it down and press it. I've been using this for several months now, and I'm really happy with the results. So if you want to print and you like it, let me know. I will share the STL file so you can print by yourself. That's it. Thank you.